Welcome to pinktoolgirl.com. My name is Sandy. This is my husband Andy.
And I'm an important part of the operation. I'm known as the left brain.
It's true. And together, we like to do beautiful, budget-friendly home improvement projects. We give videos and tutorials and checklists, along with courses that go into greater detail.
So the best way to navigate our site is to download the Ultimate Home Improvement Guide. It's completely free. It's just to the right of this video, so we're going to click on there right now.
And I think we can agree that I am the ideas girl of this operation. So I broke the guide down into individual rooms and different ideas for budget-friendly projects that you can do in your home.
And I'm the bronze to her beauty. And so our guide shows you how to do each project and how to complete it, which is really important because you need to keep people happy.
That's exactly right. So in summary, make sure you download your free home improvement guide, take a look at the courses that we offer to see if one is right for you, and then come back and join us as we do different projects, because we're going to be continually updating our site with projects that are going to help you stay on your budget.
All right, enough talking. Let's get to work.
So remember, let's stay in touch. Get our guide, look at our courses, come back frequently to see if there's some other ideas we can give you. And I need to go because Andy and my boys, I never know what wall they're going to take down, and I'm not sure if that's on my project list. So stay in touch.